Okay, today we're gonna get into that core a little bit. So make sure you draw it in, tighten that tummy, and give me a little pump. This is a little preview pump. We're working knee lifts today, but we need to make sure that that core is tight. Let's add those knees nice and slow. Right, left, right, left. Come on. You got it. I want you to look mean. Today we're giving that ugly face. How about we push it down? Push, 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 push. Shoulders drop, knee left. Come on. You got for 4, 3, 2. Come on. You ready to pick it up? Almost missed that beat. Same knees, arms up. Here we go. Keep firm in that tummy. 4, 3, 2. Push it down. Come on. Turn to the right. Ha. To the back. Come on. To the side. Ha. To the front. Give me a little side sway. Right knee, left knee. Woo. Come on, breathe. Little change up coming. Here we go. Take a single, single, double. Ha. Double. Let me hear you say it. Double. Take it up. Take it back. Take it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, finish. Whew, broke a sweat.